Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Victus 15. This will apply to the 15FB series models. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, make sure your computer is fully powered down and off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. This computer has a total of 7 screws along the bottom case. Once you get those screws out, we're going to take our small flat pry tool. We're going to go across the seam of the bottom case and pry it up from the rest of the computer. Now don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go slow but firm, and you'll be able to take that bottom case off. It's also generally best to start near the back, near one of the 2 hinges. After you get the bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or wearing an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have my Amazon affiliate link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all those tools and supplies I use, as well as these replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. Now, before doing anything in a computer, it's always best to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen. The battery is held in by these 4 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard near the blue arrow. Now to get that plug out, you'll notice the white plug has 2 grips, one on either side. It makes it very easy to use your fingernails or a pry tool to wiggle that out of that port right there. If you don't have enough give with those small wires, you may have to unscrew the battery and take it out, but I was able to unplug that from the motherboard without taking my battery out. Your Wi-Fi card is right here underneath the left-hand fan on my screen. It's held down by a single screw on the right, and it plugs into this port right here. After undoing the screw, all you have left is these antenna wire that snap onto the card. Those are just snaps, so they just snap directly up and off of that Wi-Fi card. To snap them back on, however, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to get back on, and you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So it could be a little pain in the butt if you're not used to it, but go slow, be patient, and you will be able to snap those back on. I will have the Wi-Fi card spec information below in the description if you need help searching for a good replacement, but I will also include a Wi-Fi replacement card in that link I told you about with all of the tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this model computer. I will also mention if you are having issues in your computer where you cannot access your Wi-Fi options, if you can't bring them up, you can't find any networks, it may not be a bad Wi-Fi card, it may be a system or driver issue. I will have a video link above, also below in the description, that will help you troubleshoot that situation and hopefully get your Wi-Fi options back without having to come in here and replace your card. But as long as you are inside, if you are looking to increase your computer's speed or its performance, your memory and your storage are large factors in that speed. If you want to learn how to upgrade your memory, check out the video that pops up when this one's done. It'll show you how to do that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.